I'm Tamsa Fidel. We have breaking news tonight in the Justice for Junior trial.
I'm Corey Chambers. The verdicts are in guilty for all 5 of the young men accused of taking Junior's life in the Bronx. It's almost a year to the day that Junior was murdered. We all saw the pictures of Junior being pulled out of that bodega. We heard the cries of justice for Junior building now for the past year. Well, tonight, at this moment, we can tell you guilty verdicts for all 5 of the men you see on the screen.
Yeah, let's go over it and what they were facing in this trial. Facing life in prison if convicted on these charges. Here are the charges we're talking about. Murder 1, murder 2, conspiracy, and gang assault. In this case, again, these are the first 5 being charged in the murder of Junior Guzman Feliz.
Yeah, this has been a very emotional trial that we've all been watching play out over these past weeks. We've seen Junior's mother crying out in court on multiple occasions, even forced to leave the court because she was just so upset at what was played out. In fact, the video that we saw, this was almost a year ago, we first saw these pictures, and it was chilling to see it then, and it's still chilling to see it now.
Well, and again, this is video that yesterday, once the jury went in to start deliberating, they asked to see this again. They asked to see this video again in slow motion, the final moments of Junior. They wanted to rehear the testimony in this case. But again, they went in to start deliberating yesterday. They came back with the verdict today, and they were told, the judge told the jury they could deliberate over these 5 defendants on trial separately and return individual verdicts, or they could return the verdicts of all 5 at once. And one by one, James Ford has been there and been emailing us from court, and they've individually returned the verdicts for each one, but all of the same verdicts, and that is guilty on all charges, murder 1, 2, conspiracy, and gang assault in this case.
Now, this is not the end of sort of this effort to get justice for Junior, because these are only 5 of more than a dozen young men involved in this deadly attack. There's actually going to be another trial in September. But again, these are the first 5 to be tried in this case, and all 5, the breaking news right now, all 5 have been found guilty of all counts, including murder 1.
And guys, of course, we are covering this from all angles. We have team coverage on this right now for you. And we're going to bring you the very latest coming up today on the Pix 11 News at 5 o'clock. We've been following this story along with all of you. We'll also be talking about it on Pix11.com and our Pix 11 News app.
Yeah, for now, I'll send you back to programming. But again, we'll see you in less than 1 hour at 5 o'clock.